Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make these self-closing feather cuffs. Now I'll show you how to make this feather cuff. It looks like that. This is the wrong side and this is the right side, and it curls up like that, so it fits the wrist and it looks like that. To make this feather cuff I'll be using black stretchy fabric, and this fabric stretches this way. 2 slap bracelets, and it looks like that. So basically this slap bracelet curls up like that, so it is easy to use on your wrist. Also I'll be using scissors, black glue sticks, hot glue gun, and feather scarf, which looks like that. I'm shaking this scarf so all loose feathers come off, as you can see here. And now I will cover this slap bracelet with this fabric. So the right side of this fabric is facing down, and now I'm checking which is the right side of this slap bracelet. This slap bracelet has a curve there, as you can see, so this curved side goes down like that. Next, I'm cutting excess fabric off all around. Next, I'm using hot glue to glue down these fabric edges all around the slap bracelet, like that. So I'm gluing these fabric edges down quite loosely so the slap bracelet has movement and it can curl up easily. As you can see, I'm gluing down all those fabric edges, and other side, like that. And the bracelet is prepared. This is the right side, the smooth side, and this is the wrong side, and it curls up like that, and it's perfect fit for my wrist. Next, I'll prepare feathers. I'll cut 2 pieces out, same length as the slap bracelet, like that, and I'm shaking these feathers so all the loose bits come off, like that. And now I will glue on these feathers on the wrong side of this slap bracelet. I'm applying hot glue in a line there on that edge there, and I'm gluing 1 strip of these feathers on top of the glue there, pressing it down so it sticks well, like that. And I'm repeating same on other edge. I'm lifting up those feathers on that side, like that. And I'm applying hot glue on other edge, like that, and I'm gluing other feather strip down on other edge, like that. I am pressing all feathers down so they stick well to the glue, and I am shaking this cuff so all loose feathers come off, and my feather cuff is finished, and it looks like that. And here are my finished feather cuffs. I will add all materials which I used to make these feather cuffs in the description box. If you have any questions how to make these feather cuffs, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.